Hi everyone, I'm Tracy and welcome to my kitchen for another episode of Tasty Yet Healthy. So today we're going to be making carrot cake overnight oats. And I love oatmeal every which way. Hot, cold, oatmeal cookies, and maybe even an occasional oatmeal cream pie. But if you have not had overnight oats, you're in for a treat. You can do so many different things with oatmeal to give it any kind of flavor that you're going for. And if you're a fan of carrot cake, you're definitely in for a treat because carrot cake overnight oats is delicious. You get the benefits of dessert of carrot cake with your breakfast. I love overnight oats too because you can meal prep, have a couple days out of it, and breakfast is ready for those really busy mornings. So let's get started. So our carrot cake overnight oats. I've already put 5 cups of rolled oats into the bowl here. And like I was talking about, oatmeal is very nutritious. Just wanted to talk about a little bit of the benefits of oatmeal. For me, like I was saying, it's very nutritious. It's got lots of fiber. It's got lots of antioxidants. It's even been proven to be able to lower cholesterol, and of course it's very filling and can hold you over until lunch so where you're not feeling hungry in the middle of the day. And I'm doing a big batch. This is going to feed our family for the next 2 or 3 mornings. And so like I said, we got 5 cups of rolled oats here. And this is very easy to make. We're going to put in my favorite oat milk. Some you may want to use almond milk, but I like the oat milk, and this is 4 cups. I'm just going to pour it all in here. And then this is, I shredded a bag of 16 ounces of carrots. Of course, if you're trying to save time, you may want to go with a bag that's already shredded, but I did shred these. And then we have 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. We have 1 whole cup of raisins. And these are all of the best ingredients that go in carrot cake, all going into our oatmeal. And then we have 1 cup of shredded coconut and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Once we have it all in there, we're going to give it a good stir. Okay, so I'm going to use these jars. I actually got them from Walmart. They're just mason jars. And when you buy them, they come with the metal lids, but they sell these lids separately, and I like them because they're white and they're pretty. And so I just fill these up with the oatmeal, and then they'll be ready to go in the fridge. All right, so we have filled up our jars. I filled up 3 full ones here for my husband, and then I have 6 little jars full. And like I said, this will be for about 2 or 3 mornings for breakfast for our family. And it's full of all the shredded carrots and the raisins. You can see all that good stuff in there. And you can see all the milk inside the jar there. That it's not good now. The oats have to sit overnight in order to be soft tomorrow, but it will be ready tomorrow morning. Put it in the fridge overnight and enjoy tomorrow. Well, thank you so much for joining and watching another episode of Tasty Yet Healthy. These oats today are very tasty and very healthy. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and definitely share this recipe with others. And don't forget to find me on Instagram, Tasty Yet Healthy, and see more of my posts there. See you next time.